Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Hania, the most attractive place in Greece. Every summer we have seen millions of tourists, and many of them visit every year because of the most amazing beaches and hospitality. Today, we will visit some beautiful and amazing places to show you guys, and we will enjoy also.
The sun, a glowing amber in the sky, begins its slow farewell, painting the heavens with strokes of crimson and gold. The wind whispers through the trees, carrying stories of the day to the waiting night. Nature stands still, holding its breath as day kisses night. The river shimmers, reflecting the sky's farewell, while the mountains stand. Silent witnesses to this daily miracle.